I'm going to show you the best tank that was designed and manufactured in World War II. This is one of the latest Sherman variant. They call this the M4A2A8. As you can see, it's about 9 feet in 4 inch wide, about 19 feet long. It has a height of about 9 feet in 10 inch. So up to the turret, it's about 9 feet. But there's a commander cupola that is about 9 inch. That's nine or about 10 inch. That's why the entire the total height of the tank is about 9 feet in 10 inch. It incorporates this horizontal volute system that allows the tank to make use of a wider track that is about 23 inch, allowing the tank to negotiate snow as well as soft ground easily. And as you can see here, this is a welded hull type chassis. It has a 2-inch thick frontal armor, but the thing is, it was about slanted 43 degrees with respect to the horizontal, which creates a 3.64-inch effective frontal armor. And this Sherman tank is armed with this powerful 76 millimeter gun. This 76 millimeter gun is capable of penetrating a 4-inch thick steel at a distance of just 1 kilometer. And you notice here, it also incorporates a muzzle brake, which was actually copied from the German design, but it's a good idea. And this muzzle brake lessens the amount of recoil of the gun when it fires a projectile. This tank is powered by a 4 to 500 horsepower diesel or gas engine, depending on the variant. The engine of this tank is capable of pushing the tank to up to a speed of about 48 kilometers per hour. Of course, one of the main reason why this is the best tank that was designed during the war is it's because it's easy to produce, considering the fact that it's not that big, and efficient manufacturing process of the American war industry. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any comment, please put it below and let's talk about this.